Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success. Now, last week I was talking about the topic of the things that we say to ourselves. One of the biggest fears I mentioned is a fear of public speaking. Yet if we say to ourselves, I'd die if I had to go and do public speaking, what it does, our brain creates the chemicals that match the words we say, and our mind also does what it thinks we want. So you will help build a pattern of doing anything you can so that you don't have to go and do public speaking. So on the reverse of that, because our mind is so adept at looking for danger and the negative and everything we haven't done, a key habit to build in your life is to acknowledge and look for your successes. And that includes the small wins that you've done every day. So something I teach my clients is every day to simply write down 3 successes that you've done. Now, they don't have to be huge successes like finishing a project or gaining a new client or increasing your income by some massive new sale. It can be the small things. It could be that you diligently focused on what was important. You did the hard task first thing in the morning. You didn't procrastinate. And you took action on that project. Perhaps you made a difficult phone call, or you disciplined yourself to make those 10 calls. So when you look back at your day and you take the time to write down the things that you've done well, remember your words that you think. Your brain will then produce chemicals that match the words. So your brain will produce better chemicals, like a shot of serotonin when you're looking at your successes. You will feel better, and you will also be creating an increase, I guess, in your self-worth. You're building an insulation against the challenges, the doubts, and the fears that we have in life. So by acknowledging consistently 3 of your wins that you have every day, your brain will be focusing on the opportunities, on what you've done well, rather than what it does so easily, which is what you didn't do, and focusing on the non-successes or the things that went wrong. So your mind is a muscle, if you remember, and you'll be training your mind to look for the small things that you might miss. And that is where the opportunities lie, where the unseen or formerly unseen things are. And again, you're insulating yourself against the fears and doubts. You're building belief, and we all need to increase our self-worth, believe in ourselves, and trust so that we can follow and live life according to our plan and not get sidetracked or hijacked by other people's words, by their journey, or other bright, shiny objects. So create a habit today of writing down 3 of your small wins and successes every day. And if you have a family, it's a wonderful exercise to do at night over the dinner table, to go around the table and get everybody to focus on 2 or 3 things that they did well. You're building a great habit for a lifetime, you're fueling success, and you're building your own internal self-worth, because really what we feel about ourselves is critical to the success that we create in life and the opportunities that we take. So that's your Mindset Matters tip for today. Remember to write down and record your successes each and every day. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success.